Want to know how to create these amazing progress charts in Excel? Well, then check this out. First, select the cell where you want to place the progress bar and insert the COUNTA function. This function allows you to count the number of cells in a range that are not empty. Then, we select our range, close the parenthesis, and divide it by the number of cells we included in our range. Those in this case, we divide it by 4. Now, with your cell selected, we go to Conditional Formatting, Data Bars, and select whatever bars you like. Let's just choose this one right here. All right. Now with your cells still selected, go again to Conditional Formatting. Click on Manage Rules, Edit Rule, and in here, for the type field, we select numbers for both, meaning the minimum and maximum. And for value, we must insert 0 here and have a 1 right over there. And then click on OK, and on OK again right here. That's already it. Drag your formula down, and there you go. Now you have these amazing progress charts that update automatically whenever you mark a new stage as completed. Oh, before I forget, make sure to follow us for daily Excel tips and tricks.